To connect your Eufy C10 with Android device, first of all you will need to download the Eufy Clean app. You can find it on a Google Play Store. Just open a Play Store and search for Eufy Clean. Then select this app and download it. Next step is to open the app, and here you will need to either make your account or log into already existing account. After that you will see a screen like this. So now what you need to do is click on Add Device and find your C10. Now make sure that your robot is powered on, and you can do it by either connecting it to the charging station or clicking on the power button for 3 seconds. After that, confirm that the device is powered on. It should blink like that, and also you will hear a voice prompt when it powers on. After that, we need to reset Wi-Fi connection. To do that, click on Home button and Power button at the same time and hold them.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
Confirm reset
In the app to connect to the network.
and move to the next step. Here it will search for your device. Make sure that you have Bluetooth on, otherwise it won't work. When you find your device, click on Connect. And then enter a password for your Wi-Fi and move to the next step. Now your device will begin connecting. And after that we have our robot connected. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.